So I just want to make a quick video on how to replace a lid switch on a Kenmore 800 series washing machine. The machine would fill up with water but wouldn't go through any of the cycles, so led me to believe the lid switch was bad, usually one of the first things that go wrong. So to remove this lid switch, all you do is slide a putty knife under here and under here, and it disengages a couple of clips. Flip this up. Make sure your washer is unplugged when you're doing this. And this is a lid switch right here. Has a 3-prong connector. Just disconnect that. If you look at the bottom of this connector, you can see that little point where it was overheating and caused it to, when the switch burned out. Remove this 5/16 screw. And then the trick is to actually remove the switch, because there's a clip that I broke, is you have to raise the lid. Once you raise the lid, the switch comes out. That's the engaging part, and you're good to go. This is the replacement part, factory certified part, exact same part I found on eBay actually from a seller. Sears wanted $30 for the switch, Sears Parts Direct, and this particular seller selling the same exact part for $9.95, free shipping. And all you do with the part is simply drop it in like this. See the little clip here that snaps in place? Before you can snap it in place, you have to raise the lid. Once you raise the lid, the little arm that catches the switch is out of the way. Then you just push it in, snap it into place, and you're good to go. Boom. You'll listen, you can hear it. That's engaging the switch. Anyway, at that point, you just snap in the plug and attach the 5/16" head screw to it up here, and you're back in business. So pretty easy, anybody can do it. All you need is a putty knife and a 5/16" socket and a wrench. Secure this back down. Make sure that these clips here snap back into place. Rotate it down. You'll see this edge here has to go inside here. This edge here goes down there. So just rotate it down, snap it into place. Good to go. All right, let me know if you have any questions.